This is my 2011 Nissan Maxima. I had a check engine light come on, and I pulled my Torque Pro out to see what it was. Well, my Bluetooth, my wireless Bluetooth. Well, anyway, I'll let you guys see it. So I get a service engine light soon, and it does have a high idle, at idle, in park. As you can see, it's at 1100 RPMs. And so what I did was I pulled the codes, and it said P0171, and basically it's saying is there's an air leak in your hoses around your intake manifold or what have you. There's vacuum hoses all around those. There's vacuum hoses all around that intake. So make a long story short, I checked all these hoses. Sorry about the camera blurring up. I checked all my hoses, and I looked at everything. I looked at my intake here, all the vacuum hoses that's all up on even the intake manifold. I took these two screws off. I took the engine cover off the engine so that I can see the rest of the vacuum hoses, and I could not find a leak. And I'm like, man, where's it at? Starting to expect the worst. And so you can hear the leak. You can hear it. So I'm dueling around, and I'm looking back here in this corner. This hose that's got that white line on it. Let me get the camera to focus. Let's try it again. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that hose with that white line, that's on it. Got the flashlight on it. When I take my hand, the idle changes. So let me see if I can reach in here, and you'll actually hear the idle changing. And I'm trying to, hey, let's do this. Let's turn on. I thought I can turn on the camera light. Won't let me do it. Okay, that's all right. So let me position this flashlight in a way that you can see which hose, so that this can help somebody out. My hand back here. Hear that? Hear the engine idle down? Let off of it, idles back up. So anyway, there's a small little nick in that hose. So this little hose that's plugged up into the intake manifold here, I'm going to take my hand, and you're going to see my hand. It's the second hose. Okay, see this hand? Now watch this. See that? There's your culprit. Even when I was driving, I could hear excessive air from this side of the engine, and I knew that that's odd because I've heard that noise before. And the last time I heard that noise is when I had my oil change, and the dealer, they just didn't put like clamps. They didn't secure this air box back here, and it was so loud when I was accelerating. I didn't get any codes because anything, this mass flow air sensor is right here, so anything past this point, anything past that point will be flagged as a vacuum leak. Anything above this is going to be undetected. So I got excessive noise right here, but did not get any code. So needless to say, I was freaking out, and ran into it one day that I saw the orange filter just kind of gapped out. I closed it up, took it for a drive, and it was fine. I said, oh, thank God. So anyway, this is what you're dealing with. So I'm going to put some electrical tape on that. And you hear how high the engine is idling right now. Idling very high. You can hear that vacuum leak back there. So and of course fuel stinks. You can smell that the computer is dumping extra fuel to compensate for that condition. So this is what my idle looks like right now. 1100 RPMs with that PO171. So if you're watching this, I hope this helps you out. I just got to go to the dealer and get that hose. So yeah, we'll get that Pacific fit and get it on and get it back trucking. Hope this helps you guys out. Have a great afternoon.